Hello friend, welcome back. In this section, we will create one of the simple blog project with using that Python Django. So before starting this session, I want to share with you how it will be look like. Then it will be interactive for you. Like here you can see that is our blog homepage, and into the homepage that is our all that blog post is visible. You can see all that blog post is visible, and also it's now showing that blog title, and that is our when this post is actually created, and that is some of the short description, and that is a posted by which user actually created this post. Like this post is created by that Amjad, and also showing as how many likes for a specific this post, and also how many comment for a specific this post, right? So also it's now visible. There is another one, so that is also created by that Amjad, and you can see there is actually created by the Kazi, and there is a 1 like and 1 comment for a specific this post. So all that main functionality for building one of the blog site, I show you step by step everything with live example. Like first of all, that is our authentication system, and here if you want to create some of the new user, you can create some of the new user from to this area. That is the username, and that is the email, and then the password and the confirm password. So with this from here you can create some of the new user, and that is our logging. So that is our logging form, and into the logging form here you have to define your username and the password. So I have already created one of the username as a Kazi. So right now I want to log in with the Kazi, and the Udemy 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I just put some of the password and now click as a login. Yes, you can see now you are successfully logged in, and when you logged in, it's automatically display your username, and that is our all that personal blog. That means which blog actually created by the Kazi. So all that blog will be visible. You can see that is all that is actually 2 posts. This 2 post is created by this Kazi. So for the reasons you can see it's now showing on here. And also if you click as a edit, you can edit this post. So that is our titles. If you want to update this title, if you want to update your description, and also if you want to change that images, you can change it. Click as a update. You can see it's now all perfectly updated. And also they have the profile. So if you want to update that profile, and into the profile area here I have defined some of the validations, like when you create any new user, by default that would be as a default one of the images, and after that if you want to change that image, you can change it from here. Okay, so if you want to change that image, I choose some of the image, like here I choose this image. If you click as open, click as add picture, now you can see our profile image is successfully changed. And also there is a change profile info. If you want to update your username, if you want to update your email address, the first name, the last name, and also if you want to change that your password, like there is our, you have to put your old password. There is a new password option, and that is our new password confirmation option. And after that you can change your password. Okay, so how you can change your password, I will show you. That is our profile, and that is our profile details, right? And that is our profile name is visible, email, and the profile first name and last name is visible. So how you can display it, I will show you. And also if you want to write as a new blog, right now I'm logging with the Kazi. Okay, now I want to create some of the blog. Better I want to take some of the text. So for education purpose, right now I want to actually take it. So I just simply copy it. So now I just put that name. So here I just name it as this one. Okay, so I just name it, that is our will be our title. And also I want to take some of the demo text, like there is some of the demo text. For education purpose I copy it. Okay, so I just copy it, and that will be our total description. So that will be our total description. And also I want to choose some of the images. For education purpose I choose this image. Click as open, click as published. Yes, you can see now this post is actually created, and this post is created by the Kazi. And also there is a images is visible, there is a short description is visible. If you go to that read more, you can see into the read more area, it's perfectly visible the title, that is a post by the Kazi, and also publish date and the update date. And also showing as a 0 like and the 0 comments, and that is our image, and that is our image total description. Okay, and you can see there is also the comments option. So you will learn how can set up some of the comments option for this blog project. Like here I put that comment as this is very nice post. So this type of one of the comment I just simply added on here. Click as a post comment, And now if you go, you can see by default this comment is actually visible on here, and this comment actually created by the Kazi. So also it's showing, and also it's showing the date. That means when you put that comment. So here you can see there is also added on count one of the comments, so our comment is visible. And our like is now right now 0. So here if you like this post, yes, you can see it's now perfectly added that count as a like this post. And also if you like it, automatically it should be changed, and then it should be become as a unlike. So if you want to unlike this post, you can also unlike it. Okay, so right now I just like this post. So right now you can see it's now perfectly count our likes and perfectly count our comments. So that is pretty much simple one of the blog post that we will create. Okay, step by step we will create every functionality. So that's all that major functionality for specific for create any kinds of blog. So it should be very much helpful to you to start with the Django. And also there is another option for the logout. So if you want to log out from here, you can log out from this position, and that is our personal blog. You can see this blog is also created by the Kazi. So now it's perfectly added in our specific this user ID area. Okay, and also if you want to edit it, you can edit this blog from to this position. And also if you want to log out, then you can see it's now successfully log out. So how can create this type of one of the clean and very beautiful one of the blog site with using that Python Django? So step by step I will show you that things with a live example. So friend, I am really excited to share my experience with you. I hope you will enjoy it very much, and I will see you in the class.